You're good to go. Hey, stop! You're gonna get tased!
An Indiana woman faces multiple charges after body camera video shows her escaping from handcuffs and running off from police as she was being detained.
You're gonna get tased! Get on the ground!
On August 29th, Evansville police officers pulled over a truck for a traffic stop. Officials say the woman in the passenger seat, 27-year-old Mileyah Smit, had an affidavit out for her arrest in a separate case that was drug-related. Video shows officers approach the vehicle and ask Smit to get out.
You ever find the insurance?
No, I have State Farm. I think I have an old car.
Okay, well he's gonna have you step out, okay? Just mind taking your seatbelt off, right? I'm gonna have you step out as well. Just face the door when you do.
Yeah.
You got nothing on you, just gonna poke me, prod me, anything like that?
No, sir.
Okay. No weapons on you?
No.
I'm just gonna check and make sure.
The responding officer can be seen checking Smit for weapons before walking her to the backside of the truck. Now your bracelet fell off you, you can just shove that in your little pocket, okay? Alright, just do me a favor, come back here, alright? I'm gonna have you step back here, okay? Right here. You step right here? Okay. Alright, is there anything in that car that's yours?
Huh?
Is there anything in that car yours?
No.
Okay.
Next, the officer places Smit in handcuffs.
Ever turn around for me, okay? Alright. Just place your hands behind your back. I will tell you in just a second. Okay. And you got nothing on you, it's gonna poke me, stick me, prod me, anything like that. Alright. Only thing on you is a bracelet and your phone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
He then explains there's an affidavit out for her arrest.
Was there an incident that occurred a few days ago?
I'm sorry.
Was there an incident that occurred a few days ago?
As in when I was raped?
Well, the only reason I'm asking is you have a probable cause affidavit for your arrest out right now.
No.
Okay.
I mean, as in now.
I can't see I can't see here. Stay right here. I can't see necessarily what it's for, but I can only see that there is one.
What does that mean?
It means that you have an affidavit for your arrest. That means you've committed a crime. Somebody.
I haven't, though. Can you call?
I've already confirmed with records, okay?
Smit, speaking through slurred words, asks the officer to call a trooper. He then asks her to take a seat on the curb.
Can you call, seriously, can you call, what's his trooper? Like, it's my sister. I do not. Like, I literally do not.
Cooper.
He's an officer.
Oh, okay.
Because that whole thing was completely messed up. They didn't find anything
here's
out.
the thing.
But can you please call them?
Are you on anything right now?
No, I'm just really upset right now.
Okay, well take a seat.
I will.
Kick your legs out. Go ahead and cross your feet for me. You can cross your feet for me?
Yes, sir.
There you go.
The officer leaves Smit at the curb and begins speaking with the truck's driver. That's when Smit slides out of the cuffs and makes a break for it.
There's our D-bag.
Thank you, sir.
So, those items, get them fixed, alright? Alright, you're good to go. Hey, stop! You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased! Get on the ground!
Officers catch up with Smit after a quick chase and put the handcuffs on her once again.
The whole thing was I don't want to go jail. Call Cooper and Phillips say no. I swear to God, no.
Hold on, they're locked.
I don't want to go to jail. Please call Philip Smith and my uncle. This is completely bizarre.
Local TV stations report that after she was taken into custody, Smit complained of pain stemming from drugs she had swallowed before her arrest. She was taken to the hospital and later released and booked into the Vanderburgh County Jail. Smit now faces multiple charges, including escape, resisting law enforcement, and possession of drugs or paraphernalia. The driver of the truck was not taken into custody. Reporting for Law&Crime Network, I'm Sierra Gillespie.